Good morning. This is my project presentation uh, for the subject KKKM6423. The topic regarding mechanical processing problem and issues of forecast iron. My name is Aunan, student ID P120350. I would like to do the introduction regarding referring to the cast iron. Cast iron is a group of iron carbon alloy with a carbon content greater than 2%. It is one of the oldest, most widely used material in the world, with a history dating back to 5th century, 6th century BC. Cast iron is made by melting iron and adding carbon and other alloy elements such as silicon, magnesium to create material that is strong, durable and resistant to wear and corrosion. Cast iron is known for the excellent heat retention and distribution property, making a popular choice for cookware such as skillet and Dutch oven. And cast iron also is used in the production of engine blocks, machine tools and other heavy machinery. Cast iron, as you all know, cast iron as well can be can be used for pipe and fittings for plumbing system. There are several types of cast iron, including grey iron, white iron, ductile iron, and marble iron, each with its own unique properties and application. What are the problems and issues of from cast iron? Brittleness, corrosion, heat sensitivity, mechanical ability, weight, limit design flexibility, environment concern. These are the main problems and issues by cast iron. Cast iron is known for its brittleness, which makes it prone to cracking or breaking under stress. It is because of high carbon content. Corrosion. Cast iron is also vulnerable to corrosion, especially in damp or humid environment. Heat sensitivity. Cast iron is sensitive to change in temperature and crack and wrap under the extreme heat or cold. Machinability. Cast iron can be difficult to machine, particularly in high volume with complex shapes. It is also abrasive, which can damage cutting tools and increase the machine cost. Weight. Cast iron is heavy, which can be difficult to transport and handle. Limited design flexibility. The properties of the cast iron can make it difficult and to create intricate or complex design. Environmental concern. Cast iron is not an environmental friendly material, as it is difficult to recycle and can release the harmful pollution during the manufacturing disposal. A brief explanation on the post-processing of cast iron. Post-processing of cast iron is part involved of combination of cleaning machine, heat transfer and surface finish to achieve the desired machine and aesthetic property. Heat transfer is one of the post-processing. In heat transfer, we have two types of process: hand nailing and hardening process. In this slide, we also have put as presented a simple brief steps of the annealing process and also hardening process. Strengthening mechanism for cast iron. Alloy elements such as nickel, chromium, Small variant of copper can improve the strength and wear resistance of cast iron. Heat treatment. Heat treatment can improve the strength and hardness of cast iron. For example, hot tempering and Mech tempering can produce high strength wear resistant cast iron. Pearlite formation. Cast iron can be strengthened by increase an amount of pearlite in its microstructure. This can be achieved by slowing, cooling, or annealing at a specific temperature. Work hardening. Cast iron can be strengthened through the cold working or deformation. Can be increased its strength and hardness, but may also reduce its ductility. On the right hand side here, we're showing our chart of austenite, ferrite. The details here showing the example how our diagram looks. Failure mechanism for cast iron. These are the few that managed to get from the internet, which is the corrosion, erosion, faggot failure, and thermal faggot failure. The sustainability contribution from cast iron to developments. Environmental sustainability, social sustainability, and economic sustainability. Cast iron is a material that has been used for centuries in various applications, ranging from cookware and construction to machinery and transportation. Sustainability is a multi-faced concept that involves social, economic, and environmental consideration. Cast iron has a potential to contribute to sustainable development in several ways. Report of conclusion on cast iron. Overall, cast iron can be a sustainable material if it's produced and used in the way to make into account an environmental, social, economic impact. This may involve using renewable energy source in production, ensuring worker safety and fair labor practice, and considering the long-term economic cost and benefit of using cast iron compared to other alternate materials. The development of cast iron technology had a profound impact on the world, enabling new industries, infrastructures, and techniques, and transformed society in the shape of modern world. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Prof. Intan and Prof. Zaidi throughout to guiding me throughout the semester 1, and also to make me understand about the alloy. Thank you.